Welcome back. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today. In this explainer, we're shining a spotlight on survival, but specifically the survival of your ideas when you're standing up in front of a crowd. Today, we're going to model exactly how to merge formal speaking skills with digital media to create an incredibly persuasive, unforgettable presentation. Because whether you're presenting a literary critique, some groundbreaking scientific finding, or a complex research question, the way you deliver the information is honestly just as critical as the information itself. So get focused and let's build a masterclass presentation together. To build immediate trust with your audience, you've got to have a rigorous plan. Here's our agenda for today. First, the art of presenting. Second, mastering the formal register. Third, the power of purposeful gestures. Fourth, integrating digital media. And finally, putting it all together. All right, let's jump straight into section 1, the art of presenting and how to construct your message. Here's the thing, you really can't just wing a formal presentation. To succeed, it has to be meticulously planned, scripted, and rehearsed. An organized script relies on 4 totally critical pillars. First up, an engaging introduction. Maybe something that brings in media to hook the listener right off the bat. Second, a clear thesis that acts as an anchor for your entire argument. Third, strong supporting examples, perhaps presented with a bit of drama to capture their imaginations. And fourth, a memorable conclusion that really drives your central idea home. Precision is absolutely everything when you're scripting that second pillar, your thesis. Just look at this comparison straight from our source material on the allure of fear. A vague thesis like ambiguity and fear are similar. Well, it makes it incredibly hard for your audience to focus on your main point. It's just lacking direction. But consider the clear thesis. Language that is intentionally ambiguous can trigger fear in readers. Boom. It's precise, it eliminates any audience confusion, and it sets a definitive, arguable claim that shows real depth of thought. Moving right along to section 2, mastering the formal register to build your credibility. The absolute crucial point here is understanding what we call the formal register. By definition, this is the oral and written academic language used to process complex material and build knowledge. It's a completely different beast from the informal, everyday social language we use to just chat with our friends. When you're standing up there in front of an audience, intentionally shifting into this academic, structured language is exactly what establishes your credibility. It proves you're an expert who takes the topic seriously. Interestingly enough, educational standards emphasize this exact skill. Cross-curricular expectations actually require speakers to use grade-level content vocabulary to internalize new words and build academic language proficiency. Put simply, demonstrating authority means you are deliberately using precise, varied, and technical diction. We're talking about utilizing strong words like credible, valid, formulate, and logical. But we do need to talk about a pretty massive warning sign here. Using technical language can absolutely make you sound like an expert. However, as this quote from our curriculum sources perfectly points out, it is completely useless if your audience has no idea what you're actually talking about. You have to look up precise definitions, practice pronouncing the terms out loud, and beautifully weave explanations and examples into your speech. True authority isn't just throwing big words around. It's about making those big, complex concepts accessible. That brings us to section 3, the power of purposeful gestures and delivering with impact. Okay, let's talk about what you're doing with your hands. Purposeful gestures are natural, unforced body movements and posture shifts that you use to reinforce your points, create emphasis, and reflect your emotions. There is a fantastic, super practical tip from our sources. Record a video of your rehearsal. Literally, set up your phone and watch it back. Are you pacing around nervously? Are you waving your hands randomly? Identify those habitual, distracting tics and replace them with deliberate, relaxed, yet engaged movements. And hey, going hand in hand with your physical gestures is your speaking rate. This is your audio toolkit. You always want to speak with energy and enthusiasm to drive the presentation forward. Don't rush, but also don't spend forever on basic concepts your audience already knows. But here is the absolute secret weapon. When you get to a highly complex idea or a massive key point, you must intentionally slow down. Emphasize those words. Give your audience the space to catch up to the depth of what you're sharing. And of course, enunciate clearly and project your voice all the way to the back of the room. Which leads us to, honestly, one of the most powerful delivery techniques of all. You do not have to fill every single moment with words. A brief pause after a dramatic passage or right before a major transition proves to your audience that you're in total control. A moment of silence commands absolute attention.
All right, on to section 4, integrating digital media to enhance your message.
When you're putting together a digital presentation, you obviously have a wealth of media choices at your fingertips. Images, video, audio tracks, charts, graphics, the whole shebang. But please, don't just throw everything at the screen. You need to gather specific, meaningful media that will genuinely advance your thesis and capture your listeners' imaginations. Every single element of your presentation needs to be working together to support one single, clear message. This brings us to a golden rule of digital media from our source texts. Listen to this. Reserve digital elements for the concepts that are the most difficult to describe in words. Digital media is a tool for clarity, not just eye candy. If you can explain a concept beautifully using your newly mastered formal register, do it. Save the visual space for complex charts, startling photographs, or a short video clip that immediately communicates what would otherwise take you 5 minutes of confusing explanation. Finally, section 5. Putting it all together for that final polish.
Let's paint a picture. Imagine you're delivering a presentation based on the cost of survival, exploring the incredible, life-threatening dangers that rescue workers face. You step onto the stage, you pause for effect, and you open with this exact question from our source's Sharpa essay. Are the possible risks of rescue missions worth the potential outcomes? Man, what an incredibly engaging introduction. It poses a deep, arguable claim right out of the gate. It hooks the audience immediately, proving that your presentation is going to have real substance. Now, as you prepare to deliver an incredible hook like that, run through this quick mental checklist. Ask yourself, does my posture convey authority and ease? Am I leaning forward at key points to show emphasis? Am I making real eye contact, letting my gaze move naturally across the audience, instead of just staring down one poor person in the front row? Am I varying my pitch to convey emotion? And am I using anecdotes or a little appropriate humor effectively? Always remember, your audience is reacting to you just as much as they're reacting to your slides. Which leaves us with one final defining question to think about. Does your language create a sense of uncertainty, or does your presentation command the room? By rigorously organizing your script, fully committing to a formal register, utilizing purposeful gestures, and thoughtfully integrating your digital media, you ensure that it's the latter. You absolutely have the tools to make your ideas survive and thrive in front of any audience. Apply these techniques next time you present, and I promise you, it's going to be unforgettable. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.